Hello, it's Keith from Cloud Design Box. Welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be working in assignments in Teams. We're going to be looking at how we can add feedback and grade a whole class in one go. We're also going to look at how we can extend an assignment due date for a student or a small group of students. And we're also going to look at how we can send a turn-in reminder out to a student or groups of students as well. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to our channel. So we now need to be over in Teams. So here we are in Teams, and I need to go into assignments. And I have this assignment at the top here, personal historical artifacts. I'm going to select it. So as we can see, 7 students have already returned their prep work. I have a number of students that haven't done anything as yet, so I can send them all a turn-in reminder, and I can either do that to the whole class just by selecting the button here, or I can do it to a number of students. Both work exactly the same way. So as you can see, once I've selected a student or the whole class, this opens up an area at the top here. It says now that I've got 20 students selected, and from there I can click on send a reminder. A pop-up appears, and within that it just tells me that a notification is going to be sent to each of my students reminding them to turn in this assignment. So all I need to do then is click send, and if I just drop into the student view and to the activity bell, and as you can see there's the reminder for my students to do the work. From here the student can hand the work in. They can also attach any work or create a fresh document as required. So they can either do that from the activity area, or they can go into assignments within the team. Let's go back into the teacher view. As this is going to be a show and tell kind of assignment, so I'm not going to be able to hear all of my students' presentation in one lesson. So I'm just going to push out the turn-in date. So I've got a number of students here, so I'm going to select them. And then from here, I can actually extend the due date, so they get a bit of a grace period. I wanted it to be turned in by Friday the 19th here, so I can push it out for as long as I need. So I'm going to give them an extra week. I can change the time as well if required, and I can select done. So that has now given those students an extension on their assignment. This is really handy. So for example, if you've got a student that's been off school for whatever reason, and you want to give them an extra bit of time to turn in that assignment, then we can do that through this extend due date button here. I do have 7 students who's returned the work, and I've potentially listened to their presentation, and from here I can either grade them as a group, so they've all done very well, or I can grade them as an individual as they're giving the presentation. I can then click add feedback and grade, so I can put some words in there, and I can also give the student some points. So it's a 10 out of 10 presentation. I can select done, and that's automatically then pulled through. I could do it for a group of students, so for my 3 students here, I can add the feedback and grade. They've done excellent work, their presentations were very good, and again I can give them 10 out of 10, select done, and as you can see now that's pulled through to the students. If I deselect them, we can then see the points value that have been awarded, and also the feedback as well. This does pull through to the grades tab, so if I just drop into grades, and let's just find the assignment. So that's the assignment that was set. These are the points that's been awarded. I've still got 3 students yet to grade, and again if I was to go into Susan's work, there's the assignment, there's the grading, and if I click on the speech bubble there, and that's the feedback for her. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to our channel, and if you click on the notification bell, you'll be notified every time Cloud Design Box uploads a new video. Thanks for watching.